everyone, welcome today in today's newspaper of, yes, it's Thursday, November the 26th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And I have sad news for the people who like more Sudokus. Today only one Sudoku, no additional with extra Sudokus. You can check this. Let me see. Here, let me zoom this out. It's the first page. Second page, no Sudokus. No Sudokus here. No Sudokus there. Not on this page, not on that page, this page also, no extra Sudoku. Let me almost at the end. Let me do this faster, and faster. No Sudokus. No. I'm disappointed, but it could be happen that one day we only have one Sudoku. No extra Sudokus here in this newspaper. We will do only one regular Sudoku. No, this one is an effectorial. It's not the regular or extra Sudokus. Additional. Well, that's all. Only one. We will do this one. Where is it? Yes. So this regular Sudoku will be number. Where's my pencil here? This will be a number 1938, I believe. Yes, 1938. Let me zoom this and position the camera. All right. Yes. All right. So, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, 20, 24, 27 printed digits. A 1-star Sudoku. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. Yes, 27 means 1-star Sudoku. 1-star Sudoku. Yes. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. How about the 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so on the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then how about the number 6 in this column? 6 in the column next. So in that column, only place for a 6 should be there. 6. I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the row below? So in the last row, only place for an 8 should be there. Eight. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We see here 2 and the 8 in this column, so no 2 and the 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 9. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair and I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Let me see. 3 and the 5 are missing. The 3 and the 5 are missing in the last column. 3 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4 to 9. All right. Eight. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes in this column. We have an 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in the third column and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. In the first row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number here is the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there in the first row. We see here another 8, so no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those for you. 9 and the 4. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Also 9 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. 3. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, a 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, only two places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in those two boxes. Therefore, so no 4 in this box. One box left for the 4. Should be there. Then 296. Oh, 1, 296. 666 296. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column is 3 in the second column. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, so this should be a 3. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, 296, 296. Alright. Let me see. 88. 66. 944. Yes, we have a 4 now. Here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 9. 9. Ooh, 2, 6, and 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for a 5 should be there. 5. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 2, 8, and 6. Yeah, 6, 8, 8. The 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be there. The 8 and the 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. We have there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2, 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 9. One number left in this row for the number 6. For the 9. Alright, for the 9. How about those two numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 5. We have it there, 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 9. one missing number in this row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. And we have there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 2, I believe. Yeah, 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have here a 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you next time tomorrow on Friday. Bye bye for now and have a great day.